Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB. This is our morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, starting now, with news that a damning report has been sent to Parliament by the Companies Office on finance companies. And now we see ACT MP Boscawen calling for a select committee inquiry into the debacle around the collapses of finance companies. Elsewhere, John Key says that just one or two employers have signalled they want to use the 9-day fortnight idea. And Key, however, was careful not to commit to the planned tax cuts announced before the election, suggesting, he says, a delay. Meanwhile, this Friday we should expect December quarter GDP figures out, which show a 1% contraction in the economy. So the recession will have lasted at least 4 quarters and is expected to continue until late 2009. Meanwhile, in the States, more bad news in the financial sector where 3 banks were seized and 2 big credit union financiers were also seized after they effectively collapsed. They had $57 billion in assets, so the grief in the financial sector in the US continues. And finally, the head of the Commodities Futures and Trading Commission in the United States says he's starting to see signs of regular Ponzi schemes. So we had Bernie Madoff, now we're seeing significant numbers of other similar schemes being shown up essentially as the market collapses. He described the scene he's seeing out there as Ponzimonium or Ponzipalooza. There we go. That was 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB.